Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to draw eyes with charcoal pencils. So I am using these Camlin charcoal pencils which comes in soft and medium shade. Also I am going to use this white charcoal for highlights and this brush and mono zero eraser. Now let's get started. You can also use charcoal powder, but for beginner it is more easy and convenient to do with charcoal pencils. And we are going to use this grey toned sheet to make the charcoal eyes look more realistic. You can also use white sheet or ivory sheets either. I suggest you to do the outline with graphite pencils because it is more easy to do corrections later. Now let's make the outline a little darker by using this pencil. At first we are going to use this medium pencil to shade the skin. Do it with light pressure. Shade all over the eyes. Now it's time to blend. We will take this brush and blend it with less pressure. Now we will take the soft charcoal pencil and again go over the skin. Now again take the brush and blend it. Now we will take the soft charcoal pencil and do the iris area. So firstly go over the circle with charcoal pencil. It is broken. Let me sharpen it. Now I have sharpened it. Let's do the iris. Now we will take a brush and blend it. Now we will take soft charcoal pencil and do the detailing of the iris. We will make the corner of the iris little thick because it is curved from outside, so it is thickened. Now we will take brush and blend it. Now again we will take the soft pencil and do the detailing in the iris. So the iris have some fine lines over here. Some of them are little bigger, some of them are shorter. I am facing some problem with this pencil. Its lead is working again and again. So I will use another charcoal pencil for this. Now I am going to use this charcoal pencil, and for sharpening it you can use the sandpaper. Just rub it off on this and you will get a sharpened pencil. So now let's start. Now we will make the lower part of the eyelashes. So here are the shadows of the eyelash. We will make it darker. Now we will take brush and blend it. We will blend it into the eyes like this for more realistic look. Now for highlights in the iris, we will use this white charcoal pencil. We will make a dot up here and some fine lines into the iris to give it more realistic look. If this is not working for you, then you can do it by Gelly Roll white pen. Now we will take this Gelly Roll white pen and do the highlights in this. Now the iris is completed. We will do the more details later. Let's do this area. So we will take this white charcoal pencil. If you are working on this gray tone sheet, then you will have to take this white charcoal to blend this. You can also take a tissue paper. Now we will take the soft pencil and go over the iris, the pupil, and blend it with the brush. Now we will make the highlights over the skin. So we will make fine lines and strokes over here to create wrinkles on the skin. Now we will take this soft charcoal pencil and do the waterline area. Do it with light hand, use less pressure. Now we will make highlights on the waterline. Now it's time to make lashes. For this, you will need soft charcoal pencil and make the eyelashes starting from the end. We will also make some eyelashes coming downward here, like this, and from here also. Now it's time to do the lower lashes. We will make it from the end. Now we will take this Tombow Mono Zero eraser and do the highlights over this area. Now again we will take the Jelly Roll pen and do the highlights in this iris. So this was a short video for the eyes, how to draw eyes with charcoal pencils. This is totally for beginners. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. If you recreate this, then do tag me on Instagram. I will share the link in the description box. Also comment down what should I make in the next tutorial.